Lo mfo ngizongena ilanguage yakho ngiyaziva kalokho. Lo mfo kuthiwa uJacob ma ebalekela umfo wabo. Lithi iBhayibheli wafika endaweni ethile wafumana itshe. Intoni itshe ngesiXhosa? Itshe. Wafumana itshe. Sekuhlwile waqamela kulo walala. Lithi iBhayibheli uma esalele wabona ebusuku. Wabona ilanga intoni? Ilele. Wabona that steps. Kulo kukhona the angels. Kukhona ezenyukayo. Kukhona ezehlayo. Now, noma iBhayibheli lingasitshela ukuthi what was happening with the angels. Kodwa kuyacaca ukuthi ayikho eyehlayo, ingekho eyenyukayo. Ayikho eyehlayo, ingekho eyenyukayo. Ukuze kube khona lezi ezehlayo, ayibe khona eyenyukayo. Glory to Jesus. Lezi eyenyukayo, lokho amanejeni akakamele njenjeni. But kukhona into ayitshoyo njengoba eqamela phejeni. Alivezi iBhayibheli uba yintoni, kodwa ikhona into ethi kum wayethandaza lo mfo. Ayikho ezokwehla ingekho eyenyukayo. Lezi ngelosi ezenyukayo zinyuka nomthandazo wakhe. Lezi ezehlayo zehla nempendulo yemithandazo yakhe. So when the praises goes up, his glory comes down. Namhlanje busuku khona sizoyenza lana. Thina sizobasa sokhele impepho. Impepho yendumiso. Bese impepho yendumiso iyanyuka. Kakade lithi iBhayibheli kukhona amaserafina, kukhona amakherubi, kukhona nezidalwa eziginqiginqikayo ngaphambi kwesihlalo sikaYehova. Anamehlo umzimba wonke, awakhathali ukushintsha yodwa. Holy, holy is your name. Kuthiwa amakherubi namaserafi kukhona anamaphiko ayisithupha. Kuthiwa amanye amboze inyawo, amanye akhavarisha ubuso, bese lamanye ayabhabha. Iyodwa into eshoyo, holy, holy is your name. So in other words, masenyusa indumiso, sisuke sithi Thixo sinake. Ongayiphinda leyo, masenyusa indumiso, sisuke sithi Thixo sinake. Namhlanje msuka sizokwenza into eziningi. Sizothi Thixo sinake. Alibonga igama lenkosi emphakathini wangakini. Balijongele phansi igama lakho. Kodwa namhlanje asizanga ngabantu abasibukela phansi. Sizothi Thixo sinake. WeNkulunkulu sinake. Kuyakaka khona ukuthi awunawo umsebenzi. Ontanga yakho bayasebenza, benza izinto ey'ngcono. Asizanga ngaleyo nto. Sizothi Thixo sinake. Bese lithi iBhayibheli izulu isihlalo sakhe sobukhosi, kodwa emhlabeni wenabisele izinyawo zakhe. What does that mean? Sizonyusa indumiso. When we worship him, it's like isikitaza inyawo. Angeke kukitaza umuntu bese nganyakaza. The more enyakaza, khona izinto ezehlela phezu kwethu. Nale okungadingi ukubana uzoyifumana. Tonight is tonight. I'm not talking about the sickness in your body, but what I'm telling you, tonight is tonight. Ezinye nebuyibize sizoyiqathakela zona. Kukhona nje into sizoyibasa, sizothi ilimanda Kosiata, Abadaya Anakosiata, Ilmahanaya, Ilmasuka, Ilmasiatana, Ilmahete, Ulima Kasiata, Ulima Dasiata, Usuria Samega, Onamanka Bunati, Usenamanka, Uikalama Elimansi, Kokane Sulu. I don't know whether I can get 2 or 3 people understand sometimes to worship it is not to sing a song, but sometimes to just say you are holy, you are holy, holy is your name, holy is your name. My we are Peter. Somebody not talking about that. Can fully people but the holy is your name. For the people that come to me, sir, just say something, do not ask anything. Holy is your name. Ubana ni mana nawe, ubana fana nawe, uikosi amakosi. Oh, how I wish one was a church. You can worship with me. Ubana ujohani, ekwimi sasa atmosphere. Utamekaka sharusi mimani, utumbigiri pange na konike, utimbuko yaki kame nyaweni, utimshame, yankulu kokuane, ufamu ya nesingo, utinyawa sako, sikenge tusi, nikumekadweni, ayade, wakameshake, asharusi mimani, ayade. alone. We are no more alone. Ukutamesha akobega bonise. But the power to call us as Hey, the loss is power